Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today is FOMC interest rate news for the US, and I will be live streaming for that later on today, 30 minutes before the news comes out. So definitely make sure you check that out on YouTube. But as far as the 4-hour time frame is concerned, I mean, we really have not been able to break out of this sideways channel that we're in. So, I mean, there's really nothing to say that it potentially couldn't go all the way back up to the top of the channel. To me, a lot of the dollar pairs look like a one, two, three. It looks like we're in a wave forward. It looks like it could go down again. For me, the key level is still right here. If it breaks below there with momentum, then that's pretty much going to confirm that this is the end of a pullback on the daily weekly over here. And that pretty much would confirm to me that it's back into a downtrend. If it doesn't break this low and just stays within the channel, then we'll just keep on trading the highs and the lows of the channel. Or if it decides to break out to the upside, then fine, we'll just go with the flow. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely want to have my Fibonacci retracer from here to here. If this really is like a wave one, wave two, wave three, then it could make anywhere between like a 38, maybe 23% pullback. It really shouldn't go any higher than that because that would definitely start to break the Elliot wave rules a little bit about overlapping waves. So if we do see like a move up to one of these fib levels and then a double bottom and then a break of structure, then I definitely would become bullish. If it just goes down, makes lower lows, lower highs, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, and hopefully gives us that break of structure, then that should confirm the bearish outlook on the very high time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.